That is a very pretty. I can help you. Book.
Okay, these are pages 62 and 63 of the Let's Go 3 workbook. And on these pages, we're going to do the Let's Read stuff. So that means phonics stuff on this page, and on this page, we have a story to read. Let's begin. We're dealing with the phonics sounds SK or SK and SN or SN. And in your student books, they looked like this.
SK, sk, sky, skylark. SN, sn, snowflake, snake.
Okay, so all we need to do for part A is match the pictures to the words to the sounds and write. Here we go. This is a snake, so I'm going to look for, here's ache, so down there. And the missing part is sn, so sn, ache, snake, and that is a sn bird. Next, this is the sky, so ilark, there's I right there, sky. And it's missing sk, so we'll write sk, sk, I, sky, and up here is sk, so draw a line to that. Next, this is a snowflake, so we're looking for, right there. We have an O flake, it's missing a sn, so we'll write sn, sn, O flake, snowflake. So that goes to sn, and this is a skylark, this kind of bird. So that goes up to here. And we already have ilark, so we're just missing a sk. Sk, ilark, skylark, which goes over to here. Part A is done. Okay, this is part B, and it just says look and check. So let's look at these pictures and then just check the right word. Number 1, is this picture skate, sky, or skylark? It is sky. Number 2, is this picture snow, snake, or snowflake? It is snowflake. Number 3, is this picture snowflake, snake, or snail? It is a snake. Number 4, is this picture sky, skylark, or skate? It is a skylark. Part B is done. Okay, this part is part C, and it just says read. So we're gonna read this story first. The title of this story is A Snowy Weekend. All right, let's read from number 1. Where were you yesterday, Skip? I was at the park. How was the weather? It was chilly in the morning. We saw skylarks in the sky. Okay, so this is Skip, this is his friend. He was at the park and he saw, past tense of see, skylarks. Number 3, it was snowy in the afternoon. We played with the snowflakes. All right, so after they saw skylarks, they played. And so this is the past tense of play. Look at that snake. Did you touch it? No, no, no. Okay, and we have a did question here too, which is the past tense of do. So it's the past tense form of a do you question. All right, part C, the reading is done. Let's answer some questions. Okay, question number 1 says, where was Skip yesterday? So let's go back up in here. We're gonna look for yesterday, and we have to also look for a place because we want to know where he was. Oh, look at this. Number 1 has our answer. Where were you yesterday? There's our clue word, Skip. Skip says, I was at the park. So we can write this. We'll just change I to he because Skip is a boy. So where was Skip? He was at the park. Done. Number 2, what did Skip see in the sky? Okay, so we're gonna look for sky, but also we're going to look for something that Kip sees. And it's not going to be see because I have this did here. So did is going to change see to saw. So this is what we're going to look for. Skip saw. All right, where do we find here? Skip saw in the sky. Oh, there's saw, and here's the sky. So this is the sentence that has our answer in it. Skip says, we saw skylarks in the sky. So instead of saying we can just change it to he, because it's about Skip. So say he saw skylarks. He saw skylarks. And done. Number 3. How was the weather in the afternoon? Okay, let's look for the afternoon. We're looking for the condition of the weather. Afternoon. Yesterday. Morning. Up. Afternoon. There's the clue word. Read the sentence. It was snowy in the afternoon. Okay, so this is definitely a weather word, so we can write this part. How was the weather? It was snowy. It was snowy. And we are finished those 2 pages. Excellent work, everyone.